Hello everyone, it's Stephanie and I'm back with another acrylic pouring video. In this one, this is the third of three paintings I did with the same colors. One was that round one that you just saw in the last video. The other one you haven't seen yet. It is turning out to be a fail, but I might share the video anyway. And then this is the third one. This is the last one I did with just the leftover paints, but I'm just showing you the footage from the previous video since it's the same paints. So for this one I'm just playing with doing a straight pour, and I think I kind of make it a bit of a traveling pour. I start to move around quite a bit there. I don't know if that's what you would call it, but what ended up happening is I ended up getting some really cool designs, and this happens to be my favorite out of the three. Oh yeah, I'm throwing some glitter in there. Yes, I did. I just randomly threw glitter, ended up on the canvas and the paint. I think I have this mad scientist in me that just wants to throw the kitchen sink at everything, and I just have to be careful with that because I go a little overboard sometimes, but in this case it worked out really well. Sometimes when you add glitter to an acrylic pour, it sinks, it doesn't look right, sometimes you can't see it at all, but this particular glitter ended up being on the entire painting and it looks really nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and make sure you click the bell so that you're notified when I post a new video. And as always, I love to hear from you. I try to respond to every single comment. You guys have been wonderful. I also wanted to mention that I will be doing a giveaway. It's funny, but I ended up with hitting milestones on several of my social media accounts, so I think I might combine the giveaways in some way. I hit 1,000 in my private group, and then I hit 2,000 on my YouTube, and then I think I'm about to hit 4,000 on my Instagram. So I want to do a giveaway for each one, but I think that might be too crazy, so I might just combine it, and I'll keep you guys posted here, of course. And I just want to say thank you so much for your likes, your comments, for viewing my videos, and you guys are just awesome. So thank you.